Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn 15 common English idioms that will help you sound more natural and confident in daily conversations. So let's get started. A drop in the ocean. Meaning: a very small amount compared to what is needed. Example: the money we donated is just a drop in the ocean compared to what's needed. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning: what you do is more important than what you say. Example: he promised to help, but actions speak louder than words. He didn't do anything. Beat around the bush. Meaning: avoid saying something directly. Example: stop beating around the bush and tell me what really happened. Better late than never. Meaning: it's better to do something late than not at all. Example: you finally finished your homework. Better late than never. Get out of hand. Meaning: become out of control. Example: the party got out of hand when too many people showed up. In the same boat. Meaning: in the same situation as others. Example: we're all in the same boat. We need to work together to finish on time. Make ends meet. Meaning: earn just enough money to live. Example: after paying rent and bills, it's hard to make ends meet. Pull yourself together. Meaning: calm down and control your emotions. Example: stop crying and pull yourself together. We can solve this problem. On the same page. Meaning: agree or have the same understanding. Example: before we start, let's make sure we are on the same page about the plan. Hit the sack. Meaning: go to bed/sleep. Example: I'm exhausted. Time to hit the sack. Throw in the towel. Meaning: give up/stop trying. Example: after failing the test twice, he decided to throw in the towel. Bite the hand that feeds you. Meaning: harm or be ungrateful to someone who helps you. Example: he criticized his boss after getting promoted. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Hit the jackpot. Meaning: have great success or luck. Example: she hit the jackpot when she won the lottery. Bite off more than you can chew. Meaning: take on more responsibility than you can handle. Example: he tried to manage 3 projects at once and bit off more than he could chew. That's all for today's 15 English idioms. I hope you learned something useful. Try using these idioms in your daily conversations to improve your English faster. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite idiom. See you in the next lesson.